Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by a woman walking confidently in high heels? There's something about the way heels transform a woman's presence. How they elongate her legs, refine her posture, and add an effortless elegance to her stride. People always talk about how heels make a woman's legs look nicer. And as someone who appreciates style, I can't disagree. But there's more to it than just the legs. I remember a night out with friends when a woman walked past our table. She wasn't wearing anything overly flashy, just a fitted dress and a pair of sleek high heels. But the way she carried herself, that was the real show. Every step she took had a rhythm, a subtle sway that made heads turn. It wasn't just about her legs looking longer or more toned. It was the confidence, the elegance, and yes, the undeniable allure that high heels bring. High heels have always been a symbol of class and sophistication. They're not just footwear, they're a statement. That's why you'll see them on red carpets, in high-end fashion, and on women who want to command attention without saying a word. A well-dressed woman in heels instantly carries an aura of refinement that's hard to ignore. Think about a time you've seen a woman in a beautiful dress paired with heels. Now, imagine the same woman in sneakers or flats. The difference is night and day. Heels add a finishing touch that says, I put effort into looking my best. And let's be real, effort is attractive. Now, let's address the part no one likes to admit out loud. High heels aren't just about elegance, they have a sensual appeal that's impossible to ignore. There's a reason why heels are so often associated with desire and attraction. They change a woman's posture, enhance her curves, and create that hypnotic walk that captures attention. I've had conversations with guys who say they never really noticed heels until they did. Once you pay attention, you start to see it everywhere. It's the way heels subtly shift a woman's posture, the way they make a simple outfit look stunning, the way they add that extra bit of mystery and charm. So next time you see a woman in heels, take a moment to truly appreciate the elegance she exudes. It's not just about the shoes, it's about the confidence in her stride, the poise in her posture, and the way she transforms an ordinary moment into something captivating. High heels are more than just fashion. They're a statement of grace, power, and timeless beauty. If you love exploring the allure of stylish footwear, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
Mami, te siento